Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Green color, red color, pink color, brown color, violet color, black color, blue color, orange color, light green color, yellow color, brown color, A for ant. Brown color B for ball, B for bat. C for cat. Blue color D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Green color Z for grapes. H for horse. I for igloo. Z for jackfruit. K for kite. L for light. M for mango. N for next. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Red color. R for red. S for strawberry. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Brown color. V for vase. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zero. A B C D E F Z H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you.